Hey, Oink. What? What do you have for me today? I have a huge creation with redstone stuff. You can fly up if you want. Oh, what? What? What is this thing? It's a human cannon. And, yeah. How long does it shoot me? I haven't tested it yet. Holy smokes. If you press that button, you'll activate it. Should we do that? You want to do that? I want to do that. Oh, yeah. Can you see my eyes? Nope. That's because I don't have any eyes. Oh! Yeah, that's it. Okay, you do it. No, you do it. No, you do it! Okay, I'll do it. Oh my god. Holy okay. I bet it broke. Do you? Yeah. Yeah, it broke. But dude, that is the most sickest thing I've ever seen. I'm not done yet. Yeah, I got up to, I think it was 11,000 blocks. Holy shit. You're down? I'm down. At least I have an hour. Yeah. Whoa. That is sick. And I don't even know where I am. Whoa, that's massive. Oh. It's gonna be easy to replace. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Crazy Things. See you guys later. Goodbye.